Okay, I'm in the spirit, y'all. Hot cocoa cookies. Hot cocoa cookies with marshmallows, by the way. That's a nice blend. Peppermint sugar cookie and hot cocoa and cream. So these are cake mix cookies because y'all be letting crumble cookies goop y'all. Crumble cookies have a thick cake mix cookie base that literally tastes like nothing, and then they pile a bunch of toppings up on top of it as the wow factor. But again, if you like it, I love it. Recipe in the description box below, but it's relatively simple. 1 box of cake mix, 2 eggs, a half a cup of vegetable oil or canola oil. Some recipes use a third oil. I say go a half cup oil if you're adding more toppings. Like I added more hot fudge mix. I'm going to add semi-sweet chocolate chips, white chocolate chips, and the marshmallows. Now, when you let these cool, they're going to come out ooey, gooey, and chewy. And I bake these for about 11 minutes. If you're going to add marshmallows to it, I would say take them out of the oven at 6 minutes, add the marshmallows and put them back because it got very sticky, but they did stay chewy, ooey, and gooey. They weren't hard or overcooked at all. Adding the extra toppings really make them moist like a chewy cookie per se. Good morning. Okay, so I got the hot cocoa cookies here. I'm getting ready to take to work. But before work, I have a meeting with a friend of mine from back home who's a realtor. And I got to get on the phone with some other people today. Wish me luck. And yeah, we're going to Starbucks. I'll meet in at Starbucks. And then I'm going to take you out of Walmart with me this evening to pick up some Christmas groceries. Christmas going to look a little different. I may not talk about it. Some personal things going on. But either way, let's rock. How do it taste?
Literally like heaven on earth.
Y'all know she always got my back. Ooh, what a day. Y'all, if I wasn't there on body care day, I could guess today was body care day. But between body care and singles, we pulled the day out, but it was super busy. So I'm in Walmart doing my haul because I'm going to say Christmas is going to look a little bit different. So I decided that I want to fry a couple of pieces of chicken, make a little small potato salad, and I really want a corn on the cob, but you know, fried chicken, potato salad, no contrast on the plate. I'm going to go green beans instead. So this is a really good price on some nice size Tyson wings. I got me some grapes I like to wash and put in the freezer. I fry my chicken with cornstarch flour and another kind of flour. I got my cocoa powder, the good cocoa powder for the red velvet cake, my green beans, a little more eggnog, a little more buttermilk, and some Lunchables for the week. And I'm gonna head home and we're gonna sit to the vanity and unwind. I really want to find me a Christmas pajama, because I was invited to a Christmas pajama party. Or if I decide to work Christmas Eve and stay home, I can put on my Bath & Body Works socks and just watch Christmas movies. So what happened when you lose weight and you in them in between sizes? That was sizes 8 through 10. I need at least 11, 12. The 1X, 2X will be a little too big. But that's okay. If anything, I'll just wrap up in my Bath & Body Works blanket and my little plaid sleep shirt from Pink that I had for years and put on my Bath & Body Works socks and call it a day. Now, truthfully speaking, I don't know how I'll feel not being home for Christmas. Since 2018, living in North Carolina, I've never not been home for Christmas. But I put it like this. Everybody got a right to be entitled to feel how they feel, and to be told Christmas is canceled for this one particular reason. I'm like, okay. And then I ain't gonna get onto it, but being made to be out the bad guy like it's my fault, okay. But I got plans. My Christmas is not going to be a bust. I got plans. We vlogging. Y'all rock with me. And this right here, goated, y'all, goated with those Jordan fruit syrups and some sliced fruit in your glass when you cutting back and watching your sugar. Goated. I'm gonna go ahead and get 2 because Walmart got it the cheapest. I'm gonna check out and we gonna head home. Y'all, the day is done, and this is truly how oily I get. I put concealer under my eyes this morning and the rest just powder. I had on no liquid foundation. But, you know, oily, even at an older age, is a good thing because that lessens your chance for wrinkles. So now that I'm in the wind down stage, y'all know my good old Pond's remover. I'm going to break everything down, get my bath, get this vlog edited and all that. You know, but just transparency and truthfully speaking, again, like I was saying, I don't know how I'll feel, you know, not going home for the holidays, although I already made alternative plans, some solo things and things like that. And you can have disagreements, but you have to hear each other out. You have to listen and not just listen to get a response. Yelling does no good. And you could agree to disagree and still say, you know what, but it's still Christmas. It is what it is. That's not what happened. That's not the option that was given. I don't know what would have happened days coming closer to Christmas, but what I've done, I've already paid for, and that's going to be that. So hopefully we can talk it out and work it out. And I'm just wanting to, as time go on and I get older, I don't want to sweep things under the rug no more. I want to address things. And, you know, if it reared itself right before Christmas time, then that's what it is. But again, my motto, and I say my because not everybody think like you. Not everybody want to give your energy. But my energy was more so, okay, I heard what you said. Did you hear what I said? And we can move on. Not Christmas canceled. Again, that's what was said. That's the options that was given. And it's truly sad. And I know, because my tree been up since the 31st and I'm a big Christmas person, baby, I'm going to make the best of it. That's why I'm my friend now store. I'm cheerful. I'm festive. When you get to the point in life where nothing can steal your joy, that's the biggest leg saver. And I'm going to see y'all tomorrow. Bye.